West Virginia, February 17, 2023. A series of thunderstorms passed over the South in short succession, causing flooding. Flood warnings were still in effect for numerous counties in West Virginia's southern and central regions. A handful of Lincoln County students were trapped at their classrooms after being unable to return home due to flooding. The school officials informed the families that their children would be served breakfast in the morning and that they would make every attempt to allow them to return home to be with their families. On Thursday, all schools in Lincoln County, located in the state's south, were permitted to dismiss pupils 2 hours early. This was done because rising water made several paths impassable. After storms dumped more than 3 inches (8 centimeters) of rain in some areas, officials in Lincoln County and at least 9 other counties decided to cancel school on Friday. School bus routes in Kanawha County, West Virginia's most populated county, had to be changed or canceled due to flooded streets. When the storms passed through on Thursday, Governor Jim Justice declared a state of emergency. A mudslide knocked over several coal-laden train cars at a mine in the Ragland region of Mingo County, West Virginia, near the state's borders with Kentucky and Virginia.
Some flooding here. This is crazy. Guys who's been following me on YouTube for a while know I film trains here a lot because this is literally down the hill from my house. I got my door, walk down the hill, and I'm here. It's like crazy. I don't know if the train's gonna make it through or not.
Homes have been reported to be thrown from their foundations, and rail cars carrying coal have been overturned. There was one family who needed to be rescued from their home, but no injuries were reported.
Look at those people over there standing.
There was a risk of thunderstorms from the Florida Panhandle to the coast of North Carolina on Friday, and the National Weather Service has issued a flood warning for parts of southern West Virginia and eastern Kentucky. The warning area includes Cabell, Putnam, Kanawha, Boone, Clay, Jackson, Lincoln, Logan, Mason, Mingo, Rowan, Braxton, Fayette, Raleigh, Wyoming, and Wayne counties until 12:30 p.m. today. The alert also includes parts of the Kentucky counties of Boyd, Carter, Greenup, Lawrence, Pike, Floyd, and Johnson, as well as Lawrence County in Ohio. The flood warning was issued as a result of Thursday's severe rain, which lasted through the night and into Friday. According to the National Weather Service, there has been anywhere from 2 to more than 3 inches of rain, with the NWS predicting up to a ½ inch of rain on Friday morning. Authorities issued a warning on Friday that the Coal River might rise beyond the 25-foot flood limit. Flooding has escalated to a moderate level along the Mud River. More rivers and streams are likely to flood if they haven't already. Because of the heavy rain that poured throughout the day, Thursday was an especially awful day for floods. Due to the flooding, a number of school districts had to postpone or cancel classes on Friday. On Friday, Charleston Area Medical Center announced the closure of its urgent care facility. According to members of the Duval Volunteer Fire Department in Lincoln County, 3 incidences involving water rescues have occurred since Thursday. A delivery vehicle was in a dismal scenario after colliding with a culvert in Lincoln County. Many highways in Kanawha County were closed due to flooding on Friday morning, according to dispatchers. The 1500 block of Greenbrier Street in Charleston, Farrell Road and Smith Creek Road in Tornado, the 6600 block of Coal River Road in Tornado, and the 2200 block of Browns Creek in Albans were among those roadways. Because to the high water level, a stretch of Parchment Valley Road in Jackson County's Ripley District was inundated. On Friday, motorists were warned to drive with extreme caution and to avoid driving in flood-prone regions. When the rain begins to subside, the chance of snow showers increases on Friday.